What's up guys, it's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365. I wanted to bring you a quick video. I just came downstairs, it's Saturday. I just came downstairs to take a look at the grow, take a look at things, actually measure out what I'm looking to do with that tent for the tomato plants. And I just came in here and I've seen this before when temperatures tick up just a little bit, and also when you have this much activity inside, okay, and you weren't running a fan, you're gonna get condensation. Look at all this. Just take a look at this. See how wet that is? That's not good. Okay, if I would have left this here, there might even be a little bit of mold spores here and there, maybe not just yet. But as you can see, I mean, look, you got water basically running down on the inside of the tent. When you're running this many, not even this many pumps, it's the fact that you're running so many aerator stones that are they're evaporating the water, which will then create moisture. When I open this up, as you can see here, the temp, it was approximately around 69 degrees and it was around 67% humidity, which is much higher than you want. You want to be stabilized at about maybe like, I don't know, 49 to 55, but overall, I mean, every single wall has significant amount of condensation. I'm gonna have to wipe this down, leave this open probably for the remainder of the day just to allow it to get rid of all this moisture. And as you can see back here, this could turn into something really, really bad if not mediated immediately. I'm glad that I caught it when I caught it, because this could turn bad, and I've seen it. It won't get super crazy, but you realize that you have water, moisture, humidity, and heat. It will turn into a mold factory. So again, I just want to reiterate, when you're running something this large and you have this many grow setups, it will create condensation. I actually had the fan on just a couple of days ago, and then I decided to turn it off, but now I have it on full blast, letting some air circulate around here to reduce the humidity. And this is it. I mean, honestly, it's a quick video. This is all I wanted to say. Enjoy your weekend. It's like more of like a public service announcement. Take a look at these beauties right here. So I'm definitely going to be purchasing a 2-foot T5 for the other for the Mars Hydro, and I'm going to be transitioning what is it, 4, 5, 6 of these tomato plants, these hydroponic tomato plants, inside of the Mars Hydro, and just strictly run that in there. So 6 of them, yeah, I could probably do it in one of these. I have 2 additional reservoirs right now that I'm not utilizing. This is a 10. I might as well keep this one here for now to utilize this space, because I'm not going to have 10 plants. I have only 6, and this holds 9. Actually, it doesn't even matter. I might as well take this, bring it into the Mars Hydro, and have this as the single piece. Actually, it might be actually even better, because I could do, what can I do, 1, 2, 3, yeah, it's perfect. Actually, I have 6 plants. This way I could even space them out a little bit better. I could go 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here, every other on both sides. That's perfect, actually. I love that. So I'm going to space them out. I'm going to do every other in the tomato on this one, bringing it to the Mars Hydro because it fits perfectly. And then I'm going to start, I think it's now time, now that this is growing to its capacity here, as well as you can see here, the top tier is already at a certain capacity with just monster killerish basil leaves. This is going to get huge, and I'll probably take a decent amount of this down over the weekend. And as this kind of gets taken down over the next week or so, I think today is important to start growing some brand new lettuce and anything else that I want to consume. And then I'll just take my 2 other reservoirs just like this and set up 2 here. And that's why it's really important to keep that cycle moving. It really is, because the biggest issue is, honestly, is taking all of this out, cleaning it. That is when I reach that point, I'm like, oh my God, it's time again. It's such a pain in the butt, honestly, because you have to rip out all the rock wool. You have to get those out. You have to clean the hydrotone. You have to clean the net pods. I mean, time to time you don't have to, but it's good practice to do so. I'm gonna have some lemon. I think I'm gonna have some lemon balm. Woo! some of that tea today. Maybe sit outside for a little bit, but this is it. Again, short video. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your weekend. This is Mike with Grow Indoors 365. Hit the links down below. Hit the subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up if you like this. And make sure to share with anybody else interested in learning how to grow indoors. Thanks again, guys. Have a great weekend.